Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you our fall front porch. I know that everybody has moved on to Christmas, but we won't put Christmas things up here until about Thanksgiving. So I wanted to show you this. I thought it would be a shame if you missed it, and I really love our fall porch this year. It's bright, it's colorful, and it's cozy. So let's get started. This year, our fall front porch is colorful and I love it. I love the purple mums that we have out here, and they were really inspired by the blue rugs that I put down on the fall front porch in the springtime. I wasn't quite ready to let them go when fall rolled around, so I kept them down and I just worked around them for our fall front porch decor this year. Besides letting you know that little detail, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this and see how we decorated the fall front porch. Thank you guys so much for following along today. I hope that you loved our fall front porch. I do have a full blog post up at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com on the fall front porch, so if you want to see any more of the details, you can go there. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here. Thank you so much, everyone.